people do knee rotations like this. Put your feet together. Put your feet together and let's do the knee rotation. Make sure that the knee rotation, you get the maximum rotation. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is clockwise. Now Yukta is going to do anti-clockwise. 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 6, 4, 2, and time. Yes.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Which I want you to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.